how to host a website on Google Cloud. If you've ever wanted to put your website online without paying expensive hosting fees, Google Cloud offers one of the best solutions available today. In 2025, hosting on Google Cloud has become more accessible than ever, with user-friendly tools, free tiers, and scalable performance. Whether you're a beginner launching a personal site, a developer testing projects, or even a small business looking for reliable hosting, Google Cloud gives you enterprise-grade infrastructure without the heavy costs. The best part is that Google Cloud offers a free tier, which means you can get started hosting your website at no cost. You'll also benefit from Google's global infrastructure, which ensures fast performance, strong security, and almost no downtime. In this video, we'll walk through the key features and benefits of using Google Cloud for hosting, and by the end, you'll understand why it's such a great choice if you want affordable, scalable, and professional grade hosting for your projects in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the free tier and cost effective hosting. One of the biggest distractions of Google Cloud is the free tier. Google provides always free hosting options that allow you to run a small website or project without any charges. For example, you can use Google Cloud Storage to host static websites completely free, or take advantage of free credits for virtual machines if you're hosting more dynamic applications. The benefit here is that you can experiment, learn, or even launch a small project without worrying about monthly fees. This makes Google Cloud a perfect choice for students, freelancers, or startups that want to get online quickly and cheaply. Another key feature is the flexible hosting options. Google Cloud isn't a one-size-fits-all platform. You can choose from multiple hosting methods depending on your project needs. If you're building a simple static site, you can use cloud storage for fast and easy deployment. If you're running WordPress or another CMS, you can host it on a compute engine virtual machine. For modern developers, App Engine and Cloud Run let you deploy apps with little to no server management. The benefit is flexibility. No matter what type of website you're building, whether it's a portfolio, a blog, or a web app, Google Cloud has a solution that fits your needs. And as your site grows, you can switch to more powerful options without starting from scratch. Another key feature is global infrastructure and speed. Another powerful advantage of Google Cloud is its global reach. Your website isn't tied to one server in a single location. Instead, you can use Google's worldwide network of data centers and content delivery options to ensure that your website loads quickly for visitors around the world. The benefit is performance. So, a website hosted on Google Cloud can handle traffic more efficiently with lower latency and faster response times. So, if you're serving a global audience, this is a huge advantage compared to traditional hosting providers. Another key feature is security and reliability. When it comes to hosting, security and uptime are critical. Google Cloud provides built-in DDoS protection, encryption, and identity management tools to keep your site safe. You also benefit from Google's world-class reliability, with service level agreements guaranteeing high uptime. The benefit is peace of mind, so whether you're managing customer data or just running a personal project, you know your site is protected by the same infrastructure that Google itself uses for its own services like Gmail and YouTube. That kind of reliability is hard to beat, especially when combined with free or low-cost hosting options. Another key feature is the easy integration with other Google services. Finally, Google Cloud integrates seamlessly with other Google products you might already be using. You can connect your website to Google Analytics, use Firebase for additional app functionality, or manage domains through Google Domains. The benefit here is efficiency. So instead of juggling multiple platforms and providers, you can keep everything in one ecosystem. This makes setup, monitoring, and scaling much easier, especially for beginners. So why is Google Cloud a great choice? Google Cloud is an excellent choice for hosting because it balances cost, flexibility, and performance. Unlike traditional hosting providers that lock you into fixed plans, Google Cloud lets you start small and scale up only when you need more resources. That means you never overpaying, but always have access to the tools you need to grow. It's also user friendly, even for beginners, with step-by-step guides, templates, and a dashboard that integrates with your Google account. Getting started is straightforward. You don't need to be a cloud engineer to launch your first site. And because it's backed by Google, you can be confident that your hosting solution is secure and reliable. To wrap up, hosting a website on Google Cloud in 2025 is one of the smartest ways to get your site online. With its free tier, flexible hosting options, global infrastructure, top-notch security, and smooth integrations, it's an ideal platform for beginners and professionals alike. So whether you're launching a personal portfolio, a blog, or even a full-scale business website, Google Cloud is an excellent choice. Try it out today and take advantage of the free hosting options to get your site up and running without spending a dime. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.